My name is Samuel, financial market analyst. In this video, I'll be showing you how to identify a trend continuation using pure price action. We are looking at Litecoin versus US dollar on the 4 hours time frame. Now, to identify that this is a trend continuation, we need to make sure that the price stays below the lowest low of the previous pullback. Let me show you here what I mean. And because this is a bearish market, we need to see higher lows and lower lows. We have high here, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and we have low here, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, and lower low. Now, the market should stay below the previous low, and as long as the market stays below the lowest low, it's considered a trend continuation. We can see here the price was making lower lows and higher lows than the previous low and high. Now let's see what happens when this condition is broken, or when the market stays closes above the previous low. Now, this was our previous lower low. The price closed above this previous low here. So this means it's no longer a trend continuation. If we draw a trend line here, we can see the market respected the trend line. The trend line was never broken. Now, the market went into consolidation here before finding another trend here going down. This is the simplest way to identify a trend continuation using price action with no indicators used. That's all for today. Until next time, peace.